she's going to demonstrate to everyone how to make Sirovi Štruklji, a classic Slovenian dish. Mia, thank you so much. I'm going to give you the stage.
You're welcome. Hi everyone. I hope you enjoy this. I certainly will enjoy it because I always enjoy making this. We can just, I have the recipes here if you want them now, so you can follow. You can just, thank you. Otherwise, they will just dissolve in the water. Then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
You don't measure it, huh?
I just eyeball it.
I know.
And some lukewarm water. It's around 7 ounces, but it depends how thick the flour is and everything. So you can start with a little less and then just add on liquids.
This was like 7 ounces of water, 7 ounces?
Yes, around that. You see, when it comes together like this, it has to be soft enough so you can easily knead it and it's,
I think this is the hardest part to make this.
to make the dough.
To make the dough and then to pull it. Yeah.
See how soft it is? So, just need to work on it so for about 4 or 5 minutes so it comes really smooth and it doesn't stick anymore. You could easily put it in a KitchenAid, but I find it's more work to clean up the machine later. It's easier to leave it like this.
se reče bratfan?
Baking sheet.
Yeah. Is this for one bratfan?
This is for Štruklji, it's not for
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
Good morning,
for
America.
cooking,
Yeah, yeah.
boiling.
Okay. Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry.
The recipe is for
This- yeah.
4 people.
Uh-huh.
This recipe is for 4
Yeah.
people.
So, I get Štruklji the first day when I come to Ljubljana or when I come to Pennsylvania.
It's come together pretty good, so it's going to be ready soon. See how it doesn't stick anymore? It means it's almost ready. It's a good exercise.
Mia, are there any holidays you should make strictly for, or is just for any time? Any
For every time.
time?
They could be sweet, or they could be savory, or as a side dish with meat, but they have to be savory, not sweet. There be different cottages and maybe some terracotta or chives. That's a very good side dish with some sauce. I think it's okay. And then I just rinse it on. Oil the bowl so it doesn't stick to the foil. And just you can put it in a ziploc bag so it doesn't dry out, and let it rest. At least half an hour, but more is better. The longer it will rest,
Not in the
the
fridge.
better it
Not in
will
the
stretch.
fridge.
Not in the fridge. Now here I have one well rested that I made this morning. So it's been resting for these hours. And it's ready to be stretched out. I will put it in a the surface needs to be really well covered.
Can I have one?
As you can see how stretchy it is. Oh, of course, I forgot. Things in the fridge. One moment.
Boško da ona zdaj zna.
It has to be very paper thin.
Ovo je to
that the resting that lets it stretch so nicely?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they are a little bit, they are not so thin, and when they cook it becomes tough. So I just cut it off. So the dough is very even. With this? No, it's not enough. No, but I usually, if I have grandkids around, I give them this to play with. They're very happy. The feeling. Tablespoons of sugar. If you prefer sweet on them, just make it to taste. Lemon zest. Half lemon is plenty for this. And sour cream. 1 cup of sour cream. It keeps it up very well.
Cottages, you put cottages? Cottages, no?
Cheese or cheese? Simple cheese. Cottage cheese and homemade. You can mix it all together and spread it together with cottages, but I find it better this way. And easier to spread. Now cottage cheese, it says ricotta, but it's more, I don't know, some call it ricotta, but it's not traditional ricotta like you get in the store, grocery store. This I get an extra farm in Pennsylvania. They make them, it's really the real kind of, we say, skuta.
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
And it needs to be pretty dry. It's not supposed to be wet because ricotta, traditional ricotta, is very wet and it's not good for us. And if you cannot find cheese like this, you can easily make it yourself. Just boil a gallon of milk, a little bit of salt, a couple of tablespoons of vinegar, boil it for a couple of minutes and let it stand. That's it. Get cottage cheese.
Can you use cottage cheese, regular cottage cheese from the store?
Yeah, if you get this, is actually the best next thing to this because it's pretty dry. If you don't get, if you can't get cheese like this is the best next thing.
What else you might want is if you take the regular commercial cottage cheese, put it through a coffee filter overnight. And a lot of that liquid will go out. If you're stuck, if you can't get the farmer's cheese or
Just switch around the cheese.
drain it, yeah, just put that coffee filter, let it drain overnight. Or cheese cloth, you have everybody's cloth.
Raisins that have been soaking around for a while. And it is totally optional. But I like it. Now it's completely different than rolling up the pizza. Remember how we did this roll? This is much easier. Then we have to wrap them in a wet This is very thin, but it would be a regular kitchen towel, as thin as possible. Some even wrap it in foil, but I don't find it, I think this is better.
It becomes mushy.
Just go the other way, roll it up, like this. And then, especially if you're doing it for the first time, tie it up at the end. You just hook it twine.
Mia, we have a question about how much lemon zest to use.
I use half a lemon.
Half a lemon.
Yeah, it's enough for this, otherwise it becomes too lemon. water and boil it for 20 minutes. I hope the water is boiling.
It's boiling, don't worry.
It's boiling.
Sam prej oren,
Vrel.
vrel,
Okay.
sem ga mehko znižal.
Okay.
Gosh.
Kar pokrito. And then the topping is breadcrumbs sauteed in butter so they are nice and golden.
Those look so good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just put it on top when you serve.
Nice.
That's it.
All right, so you have to do this when it's happening. This is a made to order special. Wow, thank you so much, Mia.
No problem. You're welcome. When you're making a paper batch, you have to make more batches. Yeah, because you cannot. You see that the power was not big enough for more. It's harder than so you just keep it in mind. Yes. Just make more batches.
Oh yeah, that's very nice. Yeah.
Še zavijemo, pa je tako.
Da vidimo, kaj smo skuhali, kaj smo naredili. Mija, da vidimo, kaj smo naredili. Mija, se moramo zahvaliti Tonetu, da je te pogovor naučil. Is this only for the course participants or for everybody? No, just asking. No, because in that case I'll be participant and I'll be right?
Just regular breadcrumbs, not
You also bake these rather than boil them?
You can bake it, then it is used to just put it the same way that I put it on the baking sheet, press it.
What do you think? If you baked it, would you put the butter and breadcrumbs on before or after? No.
Just on the sheet of butter before they move. So it makes a nice crust. I would never even attempt it.
The reason I ask is I don't have a big enough boil. She's a big pot.
Okay, and they are ready to taste. Whoever wants to try them, they are ready to taste.
Help yourselves. You guys want some? I'll pass them out. Okay.
Barke se na morju zibljejo, skrince mesta v vodi plavajo, ob pristanu sto luči, tiho noč, kot si žari, val za valom češčeri, vesla zvezde so spustile se z neba, a na vrhu jambora veter se igra. Odri se spit, a tvoj dom bo sad pristan, pa čeprav tako ne znam, tvoj prijatelj ten sretni, konec konca moje sreća moje mi srce.
Sirovi Štruklji. Ingredients for the dough: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 7 ounces lukewarm water, 2 tbs vegetable oil, dash of salt. Ingredients for the filling: 1 cottage cheese, farmer's cheese, 1 cup sour cream, 2 eggs, 2 tbs sugar, %cup raisins soaked in rum, optional, lemon zest. For the topping: 1/2 stick butter, 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs. Put flour in a bowl, add all the ingredients, mix well, and start kneading the dough. Knead for about 5 minutes. Cover with little oil and plastic foil. Let it rest for at least an hour or more at room temperature. Roll out and stretch the dough on a well-floured surface until it is paper thin. Mix sour cream, eggs, sugar, and lemon zest and spread the mixture all over the dough. Spread cottage cheese over it, add raisins and roll it up. Then wrap the roll in a wet kitchen towel or cheesecloth. Put the roll in boiling water and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Carefully take it out of the water. Let it rest for a minute or two. Unwrap and slice brown breadcrumbs and butter and spread them over Štruklji. Enjoy!